Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Kindly note this number 9009368238 for future purposes also. And question number 6 is prepare project any one of the topics given below. So the topic is prepare project on poverty alleviation and unemployment programs in India under the following headings: design of the cover, acknowledgement, introduction, objectives. It is five programs after period of the year 2000 onwards with its objectives, targets, and achievements and conclusion. So here this question is taken from the lesson lesson 4, and if you need answer of this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.